What if everything you've heard about budgeting is wrong? It's not about cutting out lattes or living miserably. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend on what matters, live stress-free, and take control of your future. Let's break the myth. Budgeting isn't restrictive. It's powerful. Most people think budgeting is just about saying no. No fun, no shopping, no dining out. But a real budget isn't a prison. It's a plan. In fact, Ramsey Solutions found that 93% of people who stuck to a monthly budget felt more in control of their money. Budgeting gives you the confidence to say yes. Yes to a holiday. Yes to investing. Yes to a debt-free life. Here's something you might not have heard before. Budgeting is good for your mental health. A study published in the Journal of Financial Therapy found that people who actively budget report lower levels of financial stress. Why? Because uncertainty is draining. A budget reduces the unknown. You know where your money is going. You know what's coming next. And that gives you peace of mind. Try value-based budgeting. Instead of cutting expenses randomly, build your budget around what brings you joy. Love good coffee? Keep it. Hate your gym membership? Cut it. This is freedom by design, not deprivation. This next one might sound strange, but a budget actually gives you permission to spend. Instead of feeling guilty about every purchase, you can enjoy your money guilt-free. It's already in the plan. Behavioral economist Dr. Sarah Newcomb explains, budgeting doesn't limit freedom. It creates it by aligning spending with purpose. It's like having a spending map, with green lights where it counts. Use the Fun Fund method. Set aside a small percentage of your budget just for guilt-free fun. It doesn't matter what you use this money for, so long as it brings you happiness. It keeps your financial plan sustainable and enjoyable. Think of your budget as a bridge, connecting where you are now to where you want to be. Without it, dreams like buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early stay just that. Dreams. But with a budget, those dreams become plans. A Vanguard study found that people who set clear financial goals are over 40% more likely to achieve them. And budgeting is step one. Budget for your dreams first. Automate a small amount each month into a dream account before you spend anything else. Many of us feel shame about money. It could be past mistakes, credit card debt, or lack of savings. But budgeting is how you reclaim your power. It's not about punishment. It's about progress. Every time you track, plan, and adjust, you're moving forward. You're saying, "This is my journey, and I'm in charge now." Try turning budgeting into a self-care ritual. Do it with music, a drink you love, or a favorite snack. Make it enjoyable, not stressful. So the next time you hear someone say, budgeting is restrictive, remember this: budgeting isn't about less. It's about more. More freedom, more clarity, more control. It's not the end of fun. It's the start of financial freedom. Once you have started down your path to financial freedom with your budget, you will want to get there quickly. But there are a lot of things out there that look like they can help you achieve your goal. That will slow you down. If you don't want to be moving slowly towards your goal, you should check out this video here.